In order to fix Sora AI, we're under heavy load. Here's what you need to do. So it just means that the servers are busy and nothing is broken on your end. You did not do any mistake or anything like that. So the only thing you can really do is number one, refresh your page and retry the generation. If that doesn't work, then you may need to wait around 2 to 10 minutes, then try again. And peak times usually cause this. And also something else that you could do is you could reduce the request size. So sometimes if you're trying to enter like a really long prompt, that could put a significant amount of strain. So what you could do is you can go ahead and shorten your prompt. You could include fewer edits or regenerations and stuff like that. And also, I always suggest switching between Wi-Fi and then your mobile hotspot, because that sometimes does play a factor. Sometimes whenever you're using your Wi-Fi, it does work, but when you use your mobile data, all of a sudden it does work. So I suggest switching between the two and find which one actually does work for you. But guys, if you want to avoid this from happening, I always suggest using Sora AI during off-peak hours. And off-peak hours are early in the morning or at late night, all in the United States time, because the United States is obviously the primary demographic. So guys, I always suggest using Sora AI early in the morning or late at night. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.